Django error reporting email when debug equals true. Is there a way to get Django to email me error reports even though I have debug set to true? I didn't see anything in the docs. Edit. I'm on Django 1.2 if it matters. No, this isn't a production system.
You might want to look at Django Sentry. It's really designed for use in production, but it has testing setting to make it work when debug equals true as well. It might actually send out emails at that point, too. Haven't tested that myself, but it'll at least keep a log of errors that you can view at any time from any web-enabled device. Besides, when you do eventually go to production, it'll be a lifesaver.
I believe you can achieve that by specifying an empty list to the filters associated with your admin email handler defined in your settings.py. For instance, by default the filters for this class would be a django.utils.log.requiredEpfils. If you only have one email, make sure you have a comma in the list. I tried these and seems work.
Just to expand on Bob Roberts' answer a bit, I found the default logging configuration in Django, utils.log. You can just copy and paste it to your settings, name it logging, and change the line.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.